Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another limited edition box, another unboxing. This time is the Glossybox, the holiday box. Here is the box. Pretty nice print. The print is similar with the advent calendar that I have on my channel also. It's their holiday box. I got it last year also and really enjoyed the box. Let's see what Glossybox has for us this year. I will leave the price of course on the screen. Also they have a bundle with the advent calendar and this box with a more affordable price if they you get them separate. So if you wanna try them, they are still available on their website. Let's go ahead and see what's in this box and if it's worth it. So far, as I told you, the print is similar with the advent calendar. And here is the box inside. We have the card with the products that are in the box. And here is the box. Pretty nice packaging. Comes with the Glossybox logo here, the same bow as in each box. On the paper we have beauty, confidence, purpose, strength, laughter, hope, and many others. Happiness, love, and all those good things. And let me show you how the box looks inside. Here is the box inside. It's not much to see because of this box. Here is the first product, and I was telling you in my samples of the week about a perfume product that didn't say anything for me. So far we have a kit from them. This is the Rose Spirit Fragrances Discover set. Looks like this. And looking here on the back at the ingredients, I see the alcohol, and that is one thing that I usually don't like in perfumes. But anyway, let's see what we have in this kit. Let's open this one first. So here is the kit, and let's see what samples we have in here. So opens like this. This is the cover, and of course the booklet has the print that I had on that perfume that I tried in the samples of the week. And here is the kit inside. I'm sure I will find something that I will like. We have this in here, wild. I'm trying to read the scents. We have of course the desert blush, bijou, summer rain, midnight pearl. And midnight pearl sounds familiar to me. I think I saw that in another box. And couple more. So far this one comes with 2, 4, 6, 8 samples. Pretty nice as packaging. Great to try and see if you find something that you like. Also here is the card with information about this box. So yeah, this is the first item in here, a kit with perfume samples from Rose Spirit. And here is the box inside. And I see a favorite product of mine, a favorite brand, and of course is the Rituals. And this one is the Ritual of Ayurveda Soothing Hand Balm in a full size. I'm using right now the shower oil and the body cream in this from this line, and it's really beautiful. The scent, it's really beautiful. Then we have in here this pretty box. This one is from the Beauty Crop. It's Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil, illuminating milk. So the packaging is beautiful, looks like a meal packaging, that carton type. Let's see how this one looks inside. So far, here is the product. Comes in this plastic holder and pretty nice size. Probably it's a full size. It's a rosy gold shade. And this one looks like a nail polish. Here is the brush and the product. It doesn't have any scent. It's liquid radiance in a bottle. So let's see how this one looks. Interesting. It's the first time when I'm getting a highlighter looking like a nail polish. So far, here is the shade of this one. Let me blend it a little bit. Blends really nice and very well. I'm not sure if you're able to see the shade for this one, but so far I do like the formula, and I like also the color for this one. It's not that very strong color and very pigmented. You can build this one, and also absorbs in the skin, doesn't leave any residue or something like that. So it's a pretty nice formula. I like this one. Then we have in here from VDL Expert Color Lip Comb is this one. It's a full-size product, another full-size product, and I believe all of them are full-size. This one is in the shade 201 Maple or something like that. Let's see how this one looks. Here is the packaging for this one. Pretty nice packaging. So here is the color. The shade looks like this. And on the other side, I believe it's a lipstick, or it's just the packaging. Looks like you have another lipstick on this part, but I think it's just the packaging. Actually, let's go ahead and look on the card, because we have this card. I completely forgot about the card. So far, for what we had, this one is the VDL, if I'm saying that, it's Expert Color Lip Cube Fluid Velvet. It's a full size, $22. Yes, this one is a full size. A woman shouldn't have to choose between a great lip color and a smooth kissable lips. So hydrates lips while delivering a bold seductive color for a dramatic look. The lightweight lip stain packs serious lasting power to keep your look intact through the night. So here is the product. I like the packaging, it's very interesting. I'm not a huge fan of this color, but anyway, here is this one. And then the Rituals, it's a full size, which is $17 in 2.54 ounces. Then the Beauty Crop, the Gold Glow Milk Liquid Highlighter, it's $19.50 in 0.27 fluid ounce, and that one is the full size also. The Rose Spirit Fragrances, the value for the kit, it's $64 and has 8 vials of 0.05 fluid ounces. And also they tell you for some of them where you can buy them. And I think that's all we saw until now. Then we have a product from Decorte It's eye glow gem. It's a tiny box like this one. This one is a full size. It's $27. Eye glow gem glossy eye color. So let's see how this one looks. The packaging is pretty nice, and the print on the inside box, it's nice also. Pretty nice and cute packaging. Looks like this. And let's see the shade for this one. It's a plastic jar and looks like this inside. As the formula feels like a sponge when I'm pressing on this one, is just the sponge feeling. Here is the shade for this one, and I'm gonna try to swatch this one. I don't think you can see that better I can see this better on the camera than on my hand here. So far this is the color for this one. It's a pretty nice, and it does have shimmer. And also we have in here, I can't wait to see how this one looks on eyelids. Then we have in here two more products, and one of them is Wonder 2, probably something like that, define lashes in under 2 minutes, lash extension stain mascara. The packaging looks like this. This one is $22 in 0.28 ounce. So here is the mascara. It's a full size. And let me show you the one for this one. A quick application of just one coat gives your lashes an intense rich color and defining length that lasts up to 3 days. Okay, sounds good. We'll see about that. So here is the packaging for this one, and let's see the wand. It's a regular wand, nothing special about the wand. We'll see. I never heard about this product. If you did, or if you tried this one, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about this product and how it works for you? I'm really curious to see about those 3 days. Then we have in here from Serum, it's HCR 3-in-1 serum, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and retinol, another full size in 1 ounce. This one it's $80, so not cheap at all. Let's see how this one looks. Comes in a glass bottle. So is this one right here, $80 product, 1 ounce. It's new to me, the brand is new to me, and accepting the rituals and milk, I think it's milk. What I tried as brands was the rituals, the fragrance, and also the beauty crop, not milk, the beauty crop highlighter. I'm curious about this serum. That's all in the holiday box. So far we have 7 products. Most of them are full size. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 full sizes and 1 deluxe sample. So it's not bad as quantity of the products. 6 items. We have an eyeshadow, we have a lipstick, we have a face serum, fragrance, hand cream, highlighter and mascara. It's not bad as a variety, at least this is what I think. You let me know what do you think about this box. If you would buy this box, or if you try the products, and what do you think about them. That's kind of all for this unboxing. I will see you guys next with the custom kit from Tarte. Probably, I don't know if you heard about Tarte had the second sale when they have that custom kit, and we'll see what I choose, but that is gonna be in the next video. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about the Glossybox Holiday Edition. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. A great night also if it's night. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon.